NBA action. Oklahoma City Thunder take on the Atlanta Hawks, and this ought to be a very good contest. Kevin Durant is now back. This will be his fourth game since returning from that injury, and the 3 games that he's been back, they have won by an average of 16 points. So obviously when he's there, it changes the whole dynamics of this team. My question is, will Westbrook continue to be able to, feed off of that and share the ball with Kevin Durant? And I believe he will. These two are on the same team. They have the same goal. I'll tell you what, though, Billy Donovan has done a very nice job, stepping in here, trying to put this team back together. And I really feel as the year goes on, they're just going to continue to be stronger and stronger. Now, Atlanta, on the other hand, this is a team that last year was on fire in the opening of the season. They were consistent. Now they lose one, they win one. They're losing one, they're winning one. The other night, they were absolutely manhandled and embarrassed in San Antonio. And Coach Budenholzer did not like it. He was an assistant there for 17 years. When they went there for that game, he wanted to show San Antonio the product that he has put together in Atlanta. It did not work out too well, and sources say that Budenholzer exploded, absolutely exploded in the locker room after that game. So let's see how Atlanta comes back and how they react to that. I still think Atlanta needs a big man underneath, and I believe in the next month or two of the season, as it goes on, they will acquire that big man, because they're going to find they just can't keep up with some of the better teams because of the lack of height underneath the boards. Now, Just Bet had this game opening up at the Thunder -1.5. It has since moved to -2. All right, the total opened up at 210 and is now up to 211.5. I like the Thunder -2 on the full game here. I think this is a very, very good spot and a good ticket to cash tonight. So play the Oklahoma City Thunder -2 on the full game tonight against the Atlanta Hawks. NBA action. Don't miss it.